everyone, this is MERCYLION. We are so glad to meet you here. It is our pleasure. When the Spring Festival is approaching, MERCYLION will give you a wave of benefits. On January 21st, 2023, we have a lucky draw for you and we have two prizes. This is the first prize, the MERCYLION streaming media recorder. And this is the second prize. This is the A970 recorder. This is the dash camera recorder. And now I will introduce this product to you with power on. The first winner will get this M9661 recorder, and now I will show you how to connect this product and how it looks like when the product with power. And it's very easy to connect. In here, this product with dual camera in here, so we could see two screens, and it's 1080 pixel high definition, and also it's touch screen. It supports it supports our fingers to touch the screen, and also it worth is $119. So the first winner will get this prize. Now the second winner will get this prize. This is the A970 universal dash camera, and now I will show you how it looks like when the power on. Now you could see the product is turned on, and it's with the Novatek high-end process and the Sony IMX307 sensor, and it also supports the 1080 pixel high definition, and with the 2-inch LCD display. It worth $99, and the second winner will get this prize. So there is totally two prizes and two winners. A lot of opportunity and benefits. We will officially release the giveaway activity on January 21st and focus on our website and social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and Insta. Stay tuned.